Can you sit? Sit. Good boy. High five. Yes! Good boy! Raspberry.
Megan, will you drive so I can vlog?
Yes.
You're not going to beat me.
Well,
Although if you stop and take pictures and you still beat me, then I'm going to have a real good idea about Megan's lead foot. Yeah, well, she'll tell you. Don't worry.
Hair is crazy.
what?
Why is her hair crazy?
This is my natural hair. This is if I just like get it wet. This is what happens.
Oh, end of the road.
Otherwise, if I had turned it up to 60 degrees in here, I came in here, it was 40 degrees.
And you're like,
okay,
this
that's
is not right.
normal. I'm going to cut the tops off of these.
What are they though?
They're fireworks, so there's going to be, when you see the fireworks go up in the air, it's
Or the
because
what are them?
they come out of here.
Or the what are them?
See, look at all those tubes in there. See all those tubes? See all those? Fireworks shoot out of those.
Bob, what year is this of you doing the fireworks?
Gosh, like number?
Yeah, with the winter fireworks.
Well, I think my parents, I think the last year they were out here was, I want to say 2018. If it was 2018, 'cause the first time I did them was the last night they spent on the farm actually. And then they moved to the assisted living. So at least 5.
That rainbow one?
This
Yep.
one here.
Is that your favorite, Luna?
Yeah.
This
Rainbow.
one?
It was not, I was pretty annoyed.
That's about how much you
It's gonna work
spent.
this year.
So how much do you think roughly something like this costs?
Get prompted by the film guy. Just the fireworks?
Yeah, just the firework.
Just the fireworks themselves are about $700. The ignition system that I'm using
Oh wow.
is,
This is crazy.
yeah,
All of these wires and like.
each wire goes to a,
This is what drove Bob to insanity.
And there's multiple.
yeah, so each wire goes to, these are called cakes.
Okay.
Cakes, so they come in like 200 gram or 500 gram cakes. So each wire goes to a different cake, and then I have a wire going to each one of those too. So
Oh my gosh.
ideally, I'm
Wait,
gonna have a
how
remote.
are, oh, we're gonna carry this.
Carry it out, set it on the ground.
Got it.
Yep.
Okay.
And then I'll have a remote in my hand. I should be able, if everything works like it's supposed to, I should be able to push one button.
I'm gonna try to get a few holes in before some of the guests arrive, but it's like 30 degrees outside, so it should be pretty nice. And like Bob said, there's probably gonna be a small crowd, but should be a good time. I think the fireworks my dad got look awesome, and hopefully the firing system works this time, because we don't want a rehab of last time. If you haven't seen that, check out this video. It will be linked down below, and you can kind of see what happened, or maybe I'll play a short clip right now.
It didn't start. Let me try to sync it.
Yeah, just do the sync maybe.
But this was blinking. It says sync. Everything. I don't know why these are green. It's like it's still in test mode. Mother. None of them are firing.
So hopefully that doesn't happen again, and we'll see you guys out there. Thanks for watching.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
once. Never mind.
Doesn't work.
So when I push test, I should get 13 green lights here. 13. Those 13 are ready to go. Turn that off. When I press test on here, I should get 12. And then I switch to the other bank, which is this one. I should also get 12. Okay, we're good to go.
That he's doing right now. That's what everyone knows that pissed you off.
It is what pissed me off and what happened last time. And if something goes wrong this time, I'm just gonna mellow out about it. But last time, so each one of those is on a separate channel. So I got channel 1, channel 2, and channel 3. I did not have that board on channel 1, and that's what this thing thought everything was supposed to fire off of. So when I hit to start it, nothing fired because it wasn't on the right channel. That simple a thing caused the whole thing to not work. So I've tested this multiple times. I still don't know 100% sure it's going to work, but I think it will. Okay, the moment of truth.
Okay.
Let's see what happens. Arm. 1, 2 modules. I think we're good to go. Are we ready?
Yeah, let's see it.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
It was awesome.
Yeah? You like
it was,
that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Like 4th of July.
Yeah,
Truly.
the 4th of July will be longer
Okay,
than that.
the
but
ones that were like the
whistle ones?
yes, those were awesome. And then the ones that were like
All over.
freaking love those.
Macy, did you enjoy the fireworks?
Yes.
What was your favorite part?
The zippy ones. What was your favorite firework? All of them.
All of them? It's pretty good. Pretty good.
Except like the big ones were like a little bit scary to me.
Yeah.
Better than last year when I was ready to punch somebody when it was all over.